Hi. I went with my partners, but unfortunately, we didn't record a video of the uh, peer programming. Uh, so I'm going to go a quick review. Uh, so here I'm looking at the filter movie list uh, feature, and what the first thing we had to do was implement some codes to make sure that we have this background piece taken care of. So that's something that we find in the movie steps RB file, and basically the method given would parse this statements. The following movies exist, and this movies table variable would allow us to um, get a collection of hashes that we could iterate through, and each one basically represents a movie. And that's exactly what we do here, where we populate the database with a movie create and passing the three arguments that are needed to create that movie object. So movie title, movie rating, and movie release date. And so all that comes from that hash here. So that's pretty much it for this piece. Then what we had to do in the filter movie list feature was to implement two scenarios. And the first one is right here. So what we're trying to do is to show that when we restrict the ratings to some given values, then some specific movie titles are going to be displayed and some other ones will not be visible. So using the cucumber approach, we state that when I check the following ratings and I uncheck those and I press the ratings submit button, that's implicit, I guess, then we're going to see, then I should see, and so on and so forth. So this is, the whole series of statements, and some of those steps are defined as step definitions, either in movie steps file or in the web steps file. And then so we could go and take a quick look, maybe see what we've got in those files. So that's for later on. And I should see when I uncheck. That's for later on. So in this case, pretty much everything we need is going to be in the web steps file. So some of the more basic generic step definitions are already available for us. We can see here when check and when uncheck. Okay, and after this one, then we have the last one, which says, well, when I check the following ratings, so basically all ratings are selected, then I should see all the movies. And the idea is, of course, to in a way encapsulate uh, all the details. So that's what we've got. We've got down here, actually using a slightly different approach, where instead of saying, well, we're going to list all the movies I could see, we're just going to leverage a count. So movie count on the model side is going to tell us how many uh, rows we've got, and then from the page of object, then I'm going to go down to that element and do a count as well. So that's a pretty powerful way to grab all those table rows. And basically that's it. So that takes care of um, the two scenarios for this feature. Now we have the sort movie list feature, where we have some other scenarios, and it starts with the same, what is it called? So we have the same background, and from there we want to sort movies alphabetically and to double check that all this happens just fine. And then we want to do the same thing with the release date. So here we're looking at expressing something along those lines. When I follow movie title, then I should see this movie before that movie. And so when I follow, we've got that available in here. So that's pretty cool. That takes care of this. We get the link, click link. So that's taken care of. And in the movie steps, we are going to do then I should see before. This is going to parse two strings out of that statement, and we can, again, going through the page and page body, get the entire page as a string. So just do a lookup of that string and find the index of the first string, and then do the same thing for the second string. We get its second value. We can compare both, and obviously if E1 is before E2, then the index value should be less, and basically that's it. And the good thing is that this will work just fine for both sorts that we want to do. And from there, the only thing I need to do is run the whole thing. So that's what I did with the red cucumber, and as you can see above, everything came back as green as a cucumber. So I guess we're all good. That was pretty quick, but earlier on spent quite a bit of time with my friends working on this. So I guess that should do it for today. Thanks and bye.